Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with authorize.net for small business payments step by step clearly. To authenticate with authorize.net for small business payments, start by creating an authorize.net account if you haven't already. Visit the authorize.net website and click on the sign up button. Fill out the required information to create your account. After creating your account, log into the authorize.net merchant interface. Next, navigate to the Account section from the main dashboard. In the Account settings, locate the API Credentials and Keys option. Click on API Credentials and Keys to access your API login ID and transaction key. Make a note of these credentials, as they will be needed for authentication. Go to your preferred programming environment or application where you want to integrate authorize.net. Begin by installing the necessary SDK or library for authorize.net. Once the SDK is installed, initialize the API client by providing your API login ID and transaction key. Use the provided code snippets from the authorize.net documentation as a reference. Test the connection to ensure the client is properly configured with your credentials. Once the connection is established, you can proceed to make API calls for processing payments. Implement the necessary functions for creating, managing, and processing transactions. Make sure to handle errors and exceptions as outlined in the authorize.net API documentation. Finally, conduct thorough testing in the sandbox environment before going live. Once you are satisfied with the results, you can switch to the production environment for real transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.